so close. What is happening? 59 Kamehameha. What is my 55? Okay, that. Okay, I don't know what to do. Again. Don't aim for me. Oh no. It's aiming so close to me. Oh, he got hit again. Oh. Ah. Scared me. Oh. Bacon, you're gone. Gone, Bacon. Gone, Bacon. You're gone, Bacon. Okay, Bacon, I should be nice to you because I don't like soldiers. And Bacons are big. Bacons are nice. That's why I don't really like bullying them. But sometimes I have to, or else they'll bully me. I don't like it when people bully me. Don't use fake ball on me. That never tricks me. Got him. Hey! Yeah, that's why I saw it. Oh, that scared me. You know, I'm getting away. I don't like this fight. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away. Oh my gosh! I pressed it. Did you see that? I think that was live. Wait, no. I think I didn't press it. I think I was too slow. Or I was too fast. I don't know. I think I was too fast. Don't give me that! Oh. Don't give me that. Look, Bacon. Oh. I think Bacon's gone. Bye, Bacon. Oh, Bacon's still alive. I didn't know he would be alive by now. Ow! Oh, no, it's gonna be. Oh, get away! Get away! Oh my god. Ah! 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 Well, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. I need to beat my sister. It's Selena Hart's channel. So please subscribe and I'll show you who I am in the next video. Goodbye.